Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sahib Jeet Kaur and I will be your host for the day on the behalf of A1. It's an absolute pleasure for me to welcome all you lovely people as we speak live on this session. आज आप और हम साथ में नहीं हैं लेकिन बिना साथ हुए भी साथ में है वर्चुअली. हम सभी जानते हैं कि नेचर में ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, बहुत सारी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो आप और हम हमारी नेचुरल ब्यूटी को मेंटेन और एनहांस करने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. बट गिवन द सर्कमस्टांसेस ऑफ द लॉकडाउन कहीं ना कहीं आप और हम थोड़ा सा नेचर से दूर हो गए हैं. बट वरी नॉट, विद आवर असॉर्टेड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स वी कैन गेट बैक ऑन ट्रैक एंड गेट इन टच विद आवर नेचुरल एंड रियल सेल्फ. And ladies and gentlemen, as this is a very special launch for everyone here at A1 Beauty, we have someone very special with a message for each and every one of you. Please welcome India's Managing Director of A1 Naturals, Mr. Jayan.
It's been great pleasure to speak to everyone again. It's been a while since my last talk, and I hope July was good for most of you. Definitely, we needed a good month after June. And I know there are still some areas in the country where there is lockdown, where there is a big disruption in business, and I really feel sorry for those regions. And we'll make sure that when we come back in your markets, we'll make sure that we do it with force. We'll do it with a lot of extra support. So you'll be sure about that we will not forget that you've suffered during this period. So that's a promise from us. So be sure about that. We look forward to a wonderful August. You'll see that the activity level in July was high. We'll make sure that the activity level stays this way even in August and in the months to come. So a lot of exciting things coming from Avon. Please make sure that you and your entire network is fully switched on all the time at your best, because we need to do well in these times. But what I want to talk about today is a big launch. Exciting news, the launch of Naturals. We have 13 interesting products, lovely great products, 4 in the face category, 9 in body toiletries. And this is a great new thrust for us. These are nature derived ingredients. So it's derived from nature ingredients. So it's very, very good products which are out there. And please do the most that you can. Maximize them, because this is the need of the hour. Take every new launch and blow it up, make it as big as you can. So I think that's really what I wanted to talk about today. Do very well. Make sure that we have a wonderful, rocking August, and we'll be in touch much more frequently. Thank you so much and all the best. Stay safe.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Jayan, for such a special message for each and everyone out there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, अब बारी है कि आप और हम रूबरू हो जाएं A1 Naturals की assorted range of products के साथ. And who better than the A1 India's brand manager to introduce us all with the A1 Naturals new assorted range of products. Please welcome Urvashi.
Hi everyone, Urvashi this side. Thank you so much for hosting this event for us, and I'm glad and thankful to each and every one of you who is joining us live as we are speaking. So Naturals launch is very special to us because among all the brands that A1 India has, Naturals has a very special USP that all the products have 1 or 2 special ingredients which are derived from nature.
That's amazing. That's wonderful. So Urvashi, since you are the brand manager, what is your thought process behind it? What exactly derived you? What exactly prompted you to design this range of products?
Yeah, so the idea was that, nature has a bountiful different elements. We have superfoods like papaya, we have products like walnuts, we have lemon that's already present in the nature.
Exactly.
So they use the word goodness of nature. So that's because nature already has a lot of special ingredients which can provide specific benefits to our skin. For example, the papaya has antioxidants, which is very beneficial to the skin in the long run. Lemon has vitamin C, which again is very important for the skin.
Yes.
So when the nature is giving us all these elements, why not take some of them and put it out there for our consumers?
That's wonderful. That's a beautiful thought process behind launching this new range of products. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's unveil the first assorted range of products, that is the papaya range. So tell us more about it, Urvashi.
Yeah, definitely. So, papaya is one of the most upcoming superfoods that a lot of researchers are discussing about. What makes papaya really special is it is full of antioxidants and a lot of vitamins, in fact. So we thought, let's just take the most essential extracts from papaya and make products out of it. So we have a full regime of product in the papaya range.
That's amazing.
And products for your face as well as body. So let's start with the very first product that we can discuss about, which is the papaya cleanser.
Papaya cleanser. Well, I'm already getting the aroma just by the name of it.
Right, like I can get it. So that's why we have like multiple products in the same range. So for the skincare for your face skin especially, which is the most sensitive out of all the other skin parts of our body. So it's very important to use the products which will give you the benefit and not harm your skin in any way. So with the antioxidants that you get from the papayas, so we have the first step of the CTM regimen, which is start with a cleanser for your face. And you can follow it up with an astringent or toner that we have, which again has the goodness of papaya.
Well, people have been sort of getting out of touch of using the astringents,
Right.
but they do not know the advantages of using the astringent.
Yeah. So the biggest advantage of using an astringent is to balance the pH of your skin,
All right.
as well as exfoliate to provide some gentle exfoliation.
Okay.
So we do see a lot of scrub-based exfoliation, which are very, I would say,
Harsh
physical in
on
nature,
the
and they can be harsh on the skin as well, especially when it comes to the face skin. So that's why the astringent actually provides you, a softer cleansing and a softer exfoliation to your skin. So that's the
I
benefit.
can't wait to use it.
Of course. And in fact, right after the the exfoliating astringent that we have, we will follow it up with a mask that can give even more benefits to your skin in the long run. So of course, I think on an everyday basis, we will not have time to
Exactly.
use the mask right now. I think one benefit of the COVID is maybe we can do, apply a mask while we are doing a meeting online.
But I think it's very important. Usually we follow the cleansing regime, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing.
Right.
But I think the use of the mask is also very
Exactly.
important.
Yeah,
How
exactly.
exactly, Urvashi, do you think this papaya mask is going to help people?
Yeah, so versus cleansing and toning, which, cleansing and toning process would stay on your skin for a very short time. So, the cleansing will take about 10 to 15 seconds. The
Yeah.
toner, again, you just apply it for a couple of seconds. Mask is what would retain on your skin for a longer duration. So, you will have to use the mask for up to 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
So while the mask is sitting on your skin, all the benefits are penetrating much deeper into the layer of your skin.
Okay.
So that's one benefit, and we don't stop there.
Okay, oh, there's more to it. Ladies and gentlemen, we talk about a wide range of products, and this is just the first range, that is the papaya range, right?
Right.
Then we move on to, after the mask, what do we move on?
So after you apply the mask, you cleanse your face. Then you will obviously want to top it up with something that will, keep everything inside intact. All the benefits that you've reaped out of the papaya regime. You will apply a cream on top.
All right.
A moisturizer to lock in all the moisture and the benefits that you did with all the other products. So that's it for your facial skin.
So that's the face regime. we
That's the face
follow.
regime you
And
follow.
moving on, I am sure there is much more, just more than for the body. So what is it?
Yeah, so of course, your body skin is just as important as your facial skin. Oftentimes, we tend to ignore, our body, and we tend to focus so much on our face itself that we sometimes just totally ignore our body in
Yes,
that context.
yes.
So we have two products which will give you the antioxidant property of the papaya range on your body. One is a shower gel.
Oh wow.
And of course, it has the nice papaya smell also. So apart from just being very indulgent,
So you smell fruity and refreshing
would
all
smell,
year round.
yeah, all
That's
year
amazing.
round. And after that, you can use the papaya-based body lotion for your skin. So, a regime sort of even for your body. A
That's
shower gel
amazing.
followed
That's
by
amazing.
a body lotion.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is all about the papaya range. Now we move on to the next range, which is also a fruit-based range, that is the mandarin. So what all do we have in the mandarin range?
So, one prompt that I would give you, it's not just mandarin, it's
Oh.
mandarin and jasmine.
Oh,
So we
mandarin
have
and
two
jasmine.
products, yeah, that
Okay.
we'll be talking about.
Okay.
So, mandarin oranges are very full of vitamin C.
Yes.
They're very citric. And what jasmine brings is the soothing property.
Oh.
So we have something that is stronger on vitamins, at the same time something that is soothing for your skin. That's why we would pitch this range to anybody who has very sensitive skin, somebody who wants a delicate treatment, a delicate moisturization throughout the day. So here again we have a shower gel as well as a moisturizer, body lotion, which go hand in hand. So you start with a shower gel that's giving you the benefit of mandarin and jasmine, and top it up with a body lotion.
That's amazing. Well, apart from these two ranges, we also have certain products that people can utilize according to their benefit or according to their use.
Yeah.
So, which is this one product that is also my favorite. I saw it backstage, and ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you, it's my personal favorite. That is the vanilla and sandalwood shower gel. I completely loved its aroma. So what was the idea behind it?
Yeah, right. So honestly, it's my favorite too.
That's amazing.
No
I think
cheating.
it's a girl thing then.
It's maybe that part. So the key part about the vanilla shower gel is it has one of the strongest aroma out of all the products. And when it comes to showering, you want an indulgent experience.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly.
You want that vanillic fragrance to be there and last all day on you. So that's like one of the biggest benefits that the vanilla sandalwood shower gel has. Both the fragrances are very strong, and I would say they're very, something that lasts in your memory forever.
Yes, yes.
Throughout the day, you want to keep that freshness and that vibrancy going on. So in the morning when you're waking up, you want something to give you that kick.
Yeah.
To get you out and start your day.
So the next product in this wide range of assorted products is, ladies and gentlemen, soap. And we have two soaps here. We're talking about the papaya soap, which is from the papaya range, and another very interesting product, that is the super amazing exfoliating walnut soap. So tell us a bit more about it.
So, unlike our face, which has a different exfoliating need, our body needs a product which has a little bit stronger exfoliating elements. That's where the walnut comes into picture. So it gives you a nice, strong, yet like a little gentle as well. So we have to make sure the skin remains soft and smooth after
yes,
the product
exactly.
gets consumed. So that's the benefit we're getting with the walnut soap.
That's amazing. And of course with the papaya soap, I think as we've talked about the papaya range, hum jante hain already that papaya is amazing. And given the current situation, as you told me earlier, that COVID hai to sabun ka rehna bahut zaruri hai.
Exactly. So ये वाला soap, it can be used on your body, of course, but it can also be used as a toilet soap.
Yes,
So
exactly.
you can keep it at a place where you can use it regularly to wash your hands for sure. So I think that is another very important angle. And I think at the same time, when it comes to soap, it's already good to have a nice set of soaps at home, because you don't have time to have shower
Some people
gel
have
every day.
some people have this habit of collecting all different kinds of soaps also.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, so far we've talked about shower gels, body lotions, face mask, cleanser, toner, and whatnot. You would think that's all, but Avon Naturals ख्याल रखता है आपके face, आपकी body और आपके बालों का भी. We're talking about the final product here, which is a very, very amazing product, the shampoo. that has Bhringraj and black sesame seed. So tell us a bit more about it.
Yeah, certainly. I think Bhringraj is a product जो मेरी grandmother ने भी मुझे recommend करा था, मेरी mother ने भी मुझे recommend करा था कि Bhringraj has so many natural benefits. You should use it for your hair, and that's a product that my grandmother used to have to source from different, because it's not a very
I think
accessible
it's
product.
easily available out there for
Yeah,
people. I don't even know what Bhringraj looks like. I'm not sure, not much people know.
Yeah.
But I think Avon Naturals, by bringing this product into the shampoo, it has brought up all the ingredients of this particular product.
So you
that
get
people
you
can
get the
utilize.
benefit that you used to get.
We'll have you
Using.
using this product because damn, your hair looks amazing, very lustrous, beautiful.
Well, thank you so much, Sahib. I did not want to reveal my secret, but I think it is out
But we
there.
all know it now.
Right. So I have used the shampoo quite often, a lot of times myself. And another benefit of the shampoo is that it's a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner.
Oh wow.
So I don't have to bother with using a conditioner or a mask separately.
So if you're running short on time or if you're feeling lazy
Like,
again,
in
just
fact,
use
even
it.
on an everyday basis, you don't have to use a conditioner or a mask after you apply it.
Yeah,
It will
okay,
leave your
alright.
hair as smooth as it would a normal conditioner would.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is about Avon Naturals and our assorted range of products: papaya, mandarin, lime, jasmine, Bhringraj, and whatnot. If I'm missing out on vanilla and sandalwood, there is a wide range of products, natural ingredients for each and every one of you, a wide range for you to choose according to your mood and your skin. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not just about the ingredients, we also talk about the packaging. And talking about the packaging, I think as a viewer, I need something that is also good for the eyes. कुछ ऐसा product जिसे देख के दिल करता है, oh God, that has to go on my skin right now. And this is one product that I'm holding right here in my hands, ladies and gentlemen. Just take a look at the packaging. Just have a look.
It's really gorgeous, and I think everyone wants to keep their bathroom very pretty looking.
Of course,
so
of course we
when
do.
these products will be lying in your bathroom, it will really give it a nice look overall.
And ladies and gentlemen, trust me, you cannot wait to touch these products, to use it on your skin, and you feel an instant lift up on your skin and your mood. These products are amazing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is all about the packaging. We here at Avon Beauty like to know कि हमारे viewers की, हमारे consumers की क्या thought process है, क्या उनके beauty concerns हैं. So we put up a couple of questions on the social media platforms, और कुछ top questions जो हमारे पास आए हैं उनके जवाब हम आप सभी के साथ share करना चाहेंगे. And since you are the brand manager, I think nobody is better fit for answering these questions. So the first question that a lot of people asked is that despite of using skincare products that claim to give them a glowy, healthy skin, the skin remains the same, it remains dull. So what is your take on that?
Well, I think one of the important things that a lot of us end up missing is we have the products, but we don't know how to use them.
Exactly.
So the right usage of the products is just as important. So,
And in the right order.
In the right order. And a lot of time people just mix and match products. फेस क्लेंजर के लिए they use some neem product और क्रीम बाद में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं किसी और इंग्रेडिएंट की, तो ये मिक्स एंड मैच से योर स्किन has उसको और प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है instead of improving something.
Okay.
तो it's very important कि use pick up one range और उसके ही सारे products आप use करें so that उसका add-on effect of final impact.
So that I think this was also your basic idea behind designing the papaya range, that all the products have the goodness and the benefits of papaya for each and every one.
For each and every.
So whatever products people are using, just make
Just
sure
stick
that
to
they
it.
have to stick to one type of ingredient.
Yeah, and have the right usage. So even if you're not using our products and if you're using some other product, just follow the usage instruction of those products.
Alright, so the next question, I think everybody out there will be able to relate to this question, because I think somewhere, being an Indian, this is a topic of debate for everyone. So the question people asked is that which is better, the shower gels or the soap bars?
I think an understandable question that way. I think both the shower gel and the bar soaps have their own utility. One benefit obviously the shower gel provides versus the soap is using a loofah or a body brush. When you use the shower gel, it scuffs off the dead skin much better.
Alright.
So, one wash of shower gel, your dead skin will be removed. The result will be a much smoother, finer, softer
And I also
skin.
think with shower gels, it's more, it gives you a more aromatic experience. It leaves you smelling even
That's
more.
another benefit for sure.
Yes,
it gives
right.
you the benefit. But then I think bar soaps are just as important, and it's not that the bar soaps don't provide you the same cleansing benefit. They do provide a good cleansing benefit in their own way, and plus they are, a little less time consuming.
Right, alright. Moving on to the next question, which I think...
Hopefully the last one that
the last question of course, but a very important question. 14 साल से लेकर 40 साल से लेकर 80 साल तक के लोगों का यही क्वेश्चन रहता है. I have acne. How do I deal with it?
Of course. And I think when it comes to answering that question, it's very important to understand कि आपके acne किस वजह से हो रहे हैं.
The reason.
The reason behind it. Is it a hormonal problem? Is it because of dust? क्या आपने कोई ऐसा product use कर लिया है जिससे आपको allergy है? So before we even get into the details, it's extremely crucial to understand कि reason क्या है.
Alright.
And more often than not, it's our carelessness because of which we
Yes,
the acne
people
breakout.
don't take care. It's not just what you apply on the
Right.
skin, I think, but also what you eat.
What you eat exactly, the water intake that you have. So it's very, very important to identify the reason. And I think the next step will only follow after that. So that's the only advice that I want to leave the consumers with. First of all, identify your
The root
cause. And also another tip that we can give to the consumer is don't overwash your face. So just because you have
People
oily
think that if you
skin,
wash your face
Yeah.
and keep cleaning it,
that's not.
yes.
So in fact, the more you wash, your body will produce even more sebum.
All right. Well, I did not know that.
Yeah, that's true. So I think that's a tip that we have to,
Look on to.
Look on to.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, so this was Avon India's brand manager Urvashi giving us information, talking about the all-new exciting range of products by Avon Natural and answering all your questions. Thank you very much, Urvashi, for joining us and for giving all the valuable information.
Thank you so much, Sahib. It was a very lively session and engaging. I'm really glad we did this. And thank you so much, each and every one of you who is joining us virtually. I think it was a great section. And if you have any more questions related to our products, you can definitely drop it down in the comment section and we'll make sure to get back to you.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you, Urvashi. And ladies and gentlemen, we are getting closer to the goodbye time. But usse pehle we have a very special message for all our consumers and Avon representatives by Avon's sales head, Mr. Partha.
Good morning, Avon India. I'm really excited to present the most awaited launch of this year, the Natural launch, and that is happening in August, a month where we celebrate our independence and also the onset of our festive season. So to give freedom to our representatives, to our leaders, from all those artificial ingredients, we are having this natural launch which will help you not only look beautiful, but at the same time helping others to look beautiful. This is the most anticipated and awaited, as I said, launch, because we are coming up with all the products which is as per the current trend and demand of the market, and this is definitely going to help you out to build your business in the month of August. And I'm really looking forward for this brochure, for the range of products that we have as we are entering into the most important phase of our business, where we have a lot of festivities happening across India. So nothing better than having this natural launch in the month of August. This will help you build your your representative count. This will help you get new people into the business, and this will help you leadership progression in coming months. So all the very best to each and everyone who are part of this Avon family, and also best wishes to all my new people who will be joining this family in the month of August. You have a fantastic brochure in your hand, a great range of products, and an opportunity to transform people's life. Thank you and all the best.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for joining us today on this live session, on this virtual meetup. Thank you for your time. I hope आप सभी की queries का हमें सही जवाब दिया होगा और हमारे नए products के साथ आप सभी के पास मौका है to enhance and maintain your natural beauty. Well, this is your host Sahib Jeet Kaur on the behalf on Avon National saying goodbye for the while, and don't forget to get in touch with your Avon representative to get your hands on to the new range of products by Avon. Thank you. See ya.